How to enable or turn on allow camera effect in WhatsApp. So there's a new feature called allow camera effect on your WhatsApp that allows you to add camera effect while using the WhatsApp camera video call or video short message. So here basically I'm going to walk you through how you can easily turn this feature on or enable it. So if I don't know this, if you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do to turn on allow camera effect in WhatsApp is go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone and Play Store on your Android. Then you want to search for WhatsApp and make sure you update the WhatsApp application to the latest version. Then once the WhatsApp app is updated, click on open, then click on three dots and then select settings. So then once you select the three dots at the top right on your Android, then click on settings, or on iPhone, just click on the settings at the bottom right. While on the settings page, locate privacy and click on that. Now, once you selected privacy, scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to allow camera effects. Use effect in the camera and video calls. Then go ahead and click on this to toggle it on. To provide a more expressive experience, some effect will mimic your face and hand. Your personal call and messages remain end-to-end encrypted. Then go ahead and click on continue. Then you should see this turned on. And once allow camera effect is turned on, then you can add effect while making the video call on your WhatsApp video. So that is basically how to turn on or enable allow camera effect in WhatsApp. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.